Here we have a range of small blowers that Builders offers. These blowers are compact yet have a high flow rate of air through the end nozzle. The blowers have a blowing function which is ideal for blowing dirt and dust off equipment, cleaning tables and benches. You can even use them for blowing out gutters and small areas outdoors. These three blowers also have a vacuum function to clean up small particles, dirt and dust. I have 4 different brands here, so let's have a look at their specifications. Firstly, the flow rates. The Hitachi has the highest flow rate of 3.8 cubic meters per minute, and the others drop down to 3.5 and 2.9 cubic meters per minute. These flow rates can be controlled by the variable speed switches. The Hitachi has a trigger control, so it's easier to adjust as you use it. The others have a setting dial which you can adjust to suit the speed you want. Please note the Ryobi only has 1 speed. The blowers are lightweight at 1.7 kgs max and down to 1.5 kgs on the Makita. Thus they're easy to carry and maneuver. I found the Hitachi being the smoothest, quietest and easiest to control, with the least vibration coming through the handle through to my hand. I'm sure the rubber grip is assisting with that. Overall the balance is good on each machine. Each blower does have a trigger lock, so there's no need to hold the trigger down all the time. The cable length to me is an important part of any tool. The Hitachi has a 2.5 meter long cable. The Ryobi is only 400 millimeters long. The Stanley blower has a 4 meter long cable, which is handy as it can reach a greater distance from one plug point to the desired location. And finally, the Makita has a 2 meter long cable. An added perk of the Hitachi and the Makita is they stand on their own in a horizontal position. The Makita also has an additional nozzle to concentrate the airflow when needed. My snags that I found: the suction port on the left hand side tends to catch my clothes, whereas the Makita's suction port is on the front, which resolves that issue. However, the Makita does not have the vacuum function. If I had to choose and price wasn't an issue, then the Hitachi would win for me, followed by the Makita and the Stanley. If you enjoyed this clip and found it useful, like it, share it. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel.